Hey everyone, just a quick video to show you how to install the pageFly app on your store and get access the dashboard and start using the app itself. Okay, so you have two options. The first one is just to come to the Shopify App Store. You can search for the pageFly app and it's going to be the first result here. And when you click Add App, you're just going to put your store name or your store URL here. Okay, so storename.myshopify.com. You'll log in and follow the steps from there. The second option is through the website, which is pagefly.io. Once you're on the site, just this button in the top right, try pageFly free. This will initiate the 14-day free trial. And very similar process here. You just put your store name and it completes the rest of the URL for you. Install pageFly and that will get you started. Okay. So once it's added to your store, you're going to want to log into your Shopify admin. This is the first page on the dashboard after you log in. Okay. Click on apps on the left. You can see it here. You'll also see any other apps or extensions that you've added. And when you click on pageFly, it's going to bring you to the pageFly dashboard. So from here, you can see pages you've already made on the left categorized here. If I scroll down, I can see the pages that I've made for these tutorials. Okay, so we've got the testimonial page, about us, product page, landing page, testimonial, home page, FAQ, collection, and we have a contact page as well. So by clicking on those, I can access the page editor and edit them at will. Now to create a new page, I click up here at the top. First thing, I give it a title. Okay, I can categorize it and it will be sorted into these tabs at the left. I can choose to hide or show the header and footer. Just choose to hide it now. Next, it's going to ask you if you want to use a template. So you can sort templates by type or by industry. Okay. Now all the pages that we've recreated for these tutorials have just been from blank pages. So we start with that, but you're free to explore any of these templates to kind of give you a head start. And that is the pageFly dashboard and how to add it to your store. Okay, so good luck and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.